Hi and welcome. I'm Per, the Nordic Shaman. Recently, I read an article from a Danish newspaper talking about the nature, talking about species that might go extinct, butterflies, birds, fish, um, smaller animals, but still a part of the Danish nature is perhaps going to disappear. And we knew about this. A lot of people have known about this for many years. Um, and apparently nothing is being done. This is not to fight the system. This is what I can do as a person, as a healer, as a shaman. I can call people in. I called you in. Together we can put our attention and intention at the nature, healing, light. I know there's a lot of stuff going on in the world, so why focus on the nature? But as I see it, we can't be at war with the nature. We need that. When we're starting in about a few minutes, I will take Denmark, the Danish nature, into the healing. You should do the same. If you're from Denmark, you take the Danish nature. If you're from Germany, you take German nature. If you're American, you get the point. So all of you that are gathered here, live or via replay, please take your country's nature, have it in your mind, in your heart, in this healing. So for a start, we'll bring in our countries. Just think about it, just want to have it in your mind, in your heart. Know that it is there. Connect to your country's nature. Okay. I open up for healing. You can, if you're a healer, if you're a light worker, you can also set your intention to share. You can also set your attention to give light, to give love, to give healing for the purpose. And I will create a basket, like a basket of flowers. I'll create a basket that is made of yours, mine, healing, love, light, and use that basket for healing of the countries. The healing from now on will be speechless, healing beyond words. Just hold the intention being connected to the country's nature, and the intention of sharing. Thank you very much. Please hold the intention, the attention. Stay focused. And remember, we're here to send love and light and healing. We're not finished, but I just want to share. It felt like a big machinery when we connected to the countries, to the nature. A big machinery where we're a part of everything. We're a part of the nature. We're a part of each other. And I got this sentence, healing without borders, that we can actually meet in peace, in love, and do this for the world. And it's not about politics. It's not about being angry or blame someone. It's about love, light, and sharing, healing. It's so amazing to feel that. And also, after a while, I felt the love open up in my heart. And we're all getting healing in return when we're connecting to the nature, to our countries. We give a little bit of ourselves, but we receive a lot more. It feels like we're filled up with love. Actually feels kind of simple in this this situation. It feels like such a deep form of love, a very grounded kind of love. I don't know if there's a better word for it, but I just want to share that with you. It also feels like the energy is shifting. So I want to remind you, please hold your intention to be connected with nature, to your country. Please hold the intention and attention on holding the healing, the light. Slowly we're coming back. Slowly we are letting go. I really want to thank the nature, the earth, every single country, every single person. This connection felt so amazing. So thank you. This video will be available on the channel for 24 hours, and in those 24 hours the sun will rise once again in every time zone, in every part of the world. And also, no matter where you're from, no matter which time zone you're in, you have the possibility to join when you are ready in your time zone. So this will be 24 hours of healing for the earth, for the nature. And please, I forgot to ask in the beginning, but please write where you're from, which country you're from. This is the first time, so I'm so excited to see who you are, where you are. If you want to, we can meet again. Maybe, I don't know, in a month. Maybe with another theme. Maybe the same. The same feels good, actually. One time isn't enough. Keep an eye out. You can follow this channel. You can follow my Facebook page. And I will say when we meet again. I hope you'll join. Thank you very much. See you.